FKM Slick 150. Mayroon po itong B-shape design na full LED headlights, may split na daytime running light, at diamond type naman po ang kanyang LED na turn signals. Naka-naked handlebar, at mayroon naman po itong side pocket. May utility hook dito sa harap. Maluwag din po ito pong kanyang underseat compartment. At mayroon naman po itong fuel tank capacity na 9.2 liters. Clear color naman po ito pong kanyang windshield. Naka-front telescopic fork with rubber boots, habang naka-dual shock absorber naman po dito sa likuran at ito po ay adjustable. Naka-single rotor disc brake with 2-pot caliper dito sa harapan with ABS. Habang naka-single disc brake, single pot caliper naman po dito sa likuran with ABS. At ang sukat naman po ng kanyang gulong dito sa harapan ay mayroong sukat na 100 by 80-14, habang mayroon naman pong sukat na 120 by 70-14 dito sa likuran. Combination naman po ng analog at digital ang kanyang meter panel display. At adjustable na po ito pong kanyang mga brake levers. At ang kanya naman pong button selectors, mayroon po itong passing light, high beam and low beam, turn signal selectors at ang kanyang horn. Habang dito naman po sa kabila, mayroon po itong hazard button, engine kill switch, on and off para sa kanyang headlight at ang kanyang electric starter. At mayroon po itong park brake lock. Naka-smart keyless system ang ignition. Included na rin po rito yung kanyang fuel at set opener. May built-in na USB charging port. Malapad po ito pong kanyang upuan at naka-two-tone color combination naman po ito pong kanyang seat cover na black at gray. Silver color naman po ito pong kanyang integrated na grab bar. Malapad din po ito pong kanyang pillion board with footrest extension. At ito po ay equipped with side stand engine cut-off switch. Tubular naman po na metal, ito pong kanyang center stand. Alloy naman po ito pong ating pillion step para sa ating back rider. Black color naman po ito pong kanyang CVT cover at may naka-intact po rito na FKM. At may nakalagay naman po na Slick 150 na 3D emblem dito po sa kanyang side profile. Two-tone color naman po ito pong kanyang pipe at mayroon naman po itong single exhaust. At ito po ay gumagamit ng liquid cooled para po sa kanyang cooling system. Napakalinis pong tignan nito pong kanyang LED na taillight dahil included na rin po dito ito pong kanyang LED na turn signals. At mayroon po itong 150 cubic centimeter engine displacement. Naka-single cylinder, single overhead cam, 4-stroke with 4 valve. At nakakapag-provide naman po ito ng maximum power na 12.1 kW at 8,500 RPM. Habang nakakapagbigay naman po ito ng maximum torque na 14.6 Nm at 6,500 RPM. At mayroon naman po itong seat height na 760 mm, may ground clearance na 140 mm, may wheelbase na 1,322 mm, at mayroon naman po itong kabuuang bigat na 150 kg. At ang presyo ng FKM Slick 150 ay nagkakahalaga po ito ng 123,000 pesos. At kung gusto mo naman pong kumuha ng hulugan ay kailangan mo lang pong mag-down payment ng 36,900 pesos. At mayroon naman po itong 5,310 pesos sa loob po yan ng 24 months.